I just downloaded a sample Ruby on Rails project from this link. You can check from this GitHub link. You can learn this building this application from this YouTube video. So let's run this project. Open in Visual Studio Code and close this one. And scrolling down, let's see the gem file. Scrolling up, this is the application of that GitHub link I already updated. Let's run this project. Rails S, enter. Let's see in the browser localhost 3000. Okay. Let's sign in. Login. Here is the left sidebar I already added. And let's click account. If I click any link, the whole browser is refreshing. Let's submit this form. Selecting image, title, description. Let's submit. The whole browser is refreshing. Let's edit. Let's update this title. Updated. The whole browser is refreshing. Let's see the whole pin. Let's shrink the browser to feel how it looks. Let's turn this application into single page application. First of all, let's comment this turbo link. And go to application.js file and remove these turbo links. Now go to master page application.html.haml and remove data turbo links track. This portion from style sheet and from JavaScript also. Now turbo links already removed from this application. Let's create a folder SPA under assets folder and explore this folder. Click reveal. Here is my Jquery plugin source files. Let's copy all those files and paste it here. That's it. Expand SPA folder. Here is my all source files. Here we need .js file and .css file. Let's specify toufiqElahySPA here. Copy this line, paste it here, and toufiqElahySPA.js file will be called from this file. Let's save it. Let's go to application.css file. Here star equal require toufiqElahySPA.css file will be called from this file. Now go to master page application.html.haml file. Here we need to write a few conditional code here. If Ajax request, then we'll do something, and if not Ajax request, then whole portion of this master page will be invoked. Let's scroll down, tab, copy this yield and flash section and paste it in this if condition. Here if Ajax request, then this portion will be invoked. If not Ajax request, then rest of the part will be invoked. Let's format a little bit. Scrolling down, let's write some JavaScript code. Here is script. Now need to call our plugin from here. Let's write jQuery code. This is document ready function, so that when the document is ready, this plugin will be called. Here toufiqElahySPA function already mentioned in the plugin. Let's copy this toufiqElahy ID and paste it here. So yield and flash section is wrapped inside toufiqElahy ID. Let's save everything. Let's shut down the server and install the bundle install. Let's run the project, Rails S, enter. Refresh the whole browser to load the plugin. Now if I click any link, only the partial portion is updating. New pins. Let's click new pin and submit this form. Select a image. Now title, description. Let's submit. Only partial portion is updating. Like this page. Edit, backward button. Only partial portion is updating. Let's update this pin information. Submit. Already reflected. Let's delete this. Okay. Account. Let's check backward and forward button. So only partial portion is updating and rest of the portion is static and is not changing. So it's helpful for faster browsing experience. It will increase the performance. So here I am syncing and everything is fine.